Assalamu alaikum dear students. Don't worry, today we will not study but we will play a game. Okay? Here some puzzles are there and some games are there. Some I will explain you and in some I'll give you hint. Okay? So you will try to solve it by yourself. This will help you to boost your brain, and such kind of activities are important for you. So I hope you will stay with me throughout the video. Here is the first one, that move only one stick to fix the answer. Means this is not the correct one. You know very well 5 plus 7 is 12, right? So you have to move only one stick to make this equation correct. So can you do that? For this I am giving you 20 seconds to think about the answer. Then after I'll give you answer, might be you will get some another answer also. Your time starts now. 20, 19, come on, think about it. Might be you will get negative answer also. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, time up. Did you get the answer? Yes, then very good. And if not, then let me give you one answer. If you will remove one stick from here, from this plus sign, and if you put that stick here, then you will get minus 2. So 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2, right? 7 minus 5, 2. But 7 is negative, hence your answer will be negative. If you get another answer, then also it is okay. Now let's move with the next one. Here is the next one. Squeeze your brain. Here they have given some numbers. You have to replace this question mark. As well as they have said that the answer is not 6. Might be we will think in this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But no, the answer is not 6. So think about it. For this you are having 10 seconds and your time starts now. 10, 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, time up. Did you get the answer? If yes, then good. Let me tell you the answer. The answer is 5. And how? Here 1 plus 4, 5. So here 2 plus 3, 5. As they have said that the answer is not 6. Moving with the next one. Find out the mistake. For this I am giving you only 5 seconds and I am not going to provide answer for this. You will tell me this answer in the comment section. Okay? Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, time up. Let's move with the next one. Yes, the intelligent question. Here the question is, you have to crack the code. Here they have given one code, 3-digit code, and for that code they have given you some different clues. With the help of that clues you have to crack this code. For this I am providing you the hints that how will you solve this puzzle. and I'll really appreciate if you will solve this code. Okay, so are you ready for the hint? Just listen me carefully how we are going to do that. Here in the first one, 3 4 2, 3 digits are there. From that they have said one number is correct and well placed. अब एक ही नंबर, ये एक ही क्लू से आप सब कुछ सॉल्व करने मत जाना, पहले सारे क्लूज देखना, तो ऑटोमेटिकली कुछ नंबर जो है वो रिड्यूस हो जाएंगे, कुछ डिजिट जो है वो रिड्यूस हो जाएंगे. तो 3 4 2, फिर उसके बाद क्या कहा है, नथिंग इज़ करेक्ट, मीन्स फ्रॉम 2 7 3 नथिंग इज़ करेक्ट, यानी ये जो आंसर है आपका 3 डिजिट का, उसमें 2 7 या 3 कहीं पर भी नहीं होगा. तो अब इसमें 2 और 3 है, मतलब 2 और 3 आपके आंसर में नहीं आएगा. तो आपको एक नंबर तो मिल गया जो करेक्ट है एंड वेल प्लेस्ड है, दैट इज़ 4. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सिमिलर वे 1, अब हमें एक डिजिट तो यहाँ मिल गया बीच में जो है 4. अब आपको सिर्फ ये 2 डिजिट्स क्रैक करने हैं. तो ऐसे ही ये नीचे जो क्लूज़ दिए हैं वो क्लूज़ को रीड करना, समझना, तो आपको ये 2 डिजिट्स भी मिल जाएंगे. प्लीज़ सॉल्व इट एंड टेल मी द करेक्ट कोड. लेट्स मूव विद द नेक्स्ट वन. Yes, the next one is number scramble. Here they have given many digits. See. And using this we have to fill this blank. So the first one is, what is the smallest 6-digit number you can make? This is very easy. For this I am giving you 5 seconds. Your time starts now. 5 4 3 2 1. Time up. And I'm not going to give answer for this, you know very well. Similar way, what is the largest 6-digit number? This also you can, and the remaining 3 also you have to read and you have to solve. So you can try such puzzles in your free time, which will boost your brain. Moving with next. Here is the next one, number riddles. You have to follow this, and according to that you have to choose the correct answer. So take a look of the question as well as these options. Here is the another one. Okay, try it and tell me. The next one. Yes, the next one is, how many circles do you see? Not 3. यानी उसने यहाँ बोल ही दिया है कि आंसर 3 नहीं है आपका. So your time starts now. You are having 10 seconds to solve this question. 10 9 8 7 3 2 1. Time up. Did you get the answer? Is it 3? No, it's already said that it is not 3. But let me tell you the answer. The answer is 1 2 3 4 and 3 7. The answer is 7. You have to count all the circles you can see in this picture, not only this tree. Okay, let's move with the next one. Yes, which bottle fills up the first? Here they have given many bottles. You have to say that which one of this will fill up first. So this also I am keeping for you. You will try to solve. It's a logical question. Okay, let's move with the next one. Yes. Now this one you can play. Pick up a number from 1 to 10. So you can take any number in your mind from 1 to 10. Then add 8 in that. Suppose here I have taken one number and I have added 8. Then add 5 in your mind only. Then subtract the original number you have picked. Your answer will be 13. सपोज मैं यहाँ पर कोई एज्यूम कर रही हूँ 3. सो 3 + 8 yes 11 + 5 16. Then subtract the original number. So 16 - 3 13. Likewise you can take any number from 1